Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. So the boys and I had an idea that we'd build an igloo out of some pallets and hopefully we get some snow. As you can see, there isn't any yet. But there, it always snows every year since the Ice Age. Willis, Kyle, our cousin Corey, well, their cousin, my nephew. All right, so we're gonna document this the best that we can, and then it'll take a few months, obviously, to get the snow on it, and then they'll go inside it and video it from there. Okay, so we ran out of power on the handy cam. So this is what we got, a nice little tunnel. It's about 4 feet wide, 2.5 feet tall. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 5 more pallets and set them up in a hexagon. Nice, easy on the shape, see? Yeah, I learned that in school. And then we'll put some form of a top on it. Alright, here's our structure so far. We've got 5 pallets around the back and 2 in the front. And Willis, who's about 5'9", it's good size there. We decided to move it off the pool pad just so the kids aren't so dirty all the time playing in it. So we'll come up here, and it looks like a petting zoo pen actually. Hey, should get some goats.
Yeah.
But it's pretty big inside. It's probably 5 by 5. Hey, something like that.
Like that.
Yeah. So once we get the top figured out, we're probably just gonna cut a few pallets in half and make the angles, and then put a top on her, and then we'll wait for the snow. Alright, here we are back. Been a couple weeks since we worked on this thing. We had some snow, which was a good thing. That's what we were hoping for. But now we don't anymore. I guess we're full into Indian summer. So we're done. Back up here so you can see it all. The thing's pretty huge, actually. We live in town, so this kind of looks like a big old hunk of crap, and I'm sure my neighbors aren't going to be very happy. So to the alley side, we had some old duck blind. Yeah, let's throw that around there, make it look a little bit more like a fort instead of just a big old pile of lumber. I think that's going to work out really good. Now we just got to wait for it to snow. So here's the entrance. I'm going to climb on in here. I think I got a kid in here already. Look at that, there he is. Wave to the camera, Kyle. As you can see, it's pretty big in here. So bear with me as I climb my fat ass in here. There we go. Say hi.
Hi.
So here it is. Here's my feet. I'm fully stretched out. Still got another foot on the other side. It's pretty big in here. I think it's gonna be nice. So for all you purists, this isn't gonna be like a regular igloo, because that would be normally dug down so that the cold air was pushed down by the heat and then out the hatch. Right? But this is a toy, so don't be that guy. We got a plywood roof on here, so hopefully we get some snow and the boys can pack this all in and make it all nice and have a little fun. We'll be back with you in part 2 once we get a couple feet of snow and the boys get to work. Say goodbye.
Bye.